Hey guys, welcome. Dr. BenGalyardt here at the Functional Medicine Center of Fort Collins, and I'm so excited to tell you about our thyroid workshop coming up tomorrow night. So this is going to be Thursday, 6:15 Mountain Standard Time. We're going to be doing it in office, so we have quite a few people coming for that one, and we also can be doing that over Facebook Live. So we've done this in the past. You can ask questions, you can respond, give feedback, anything like that, but we will be filming at Facebook Live. It'll be about an hour long, so that's 6:15 Mountain Time, 7:15 Central Time. Jump on there. We'll be going through all the different things that are going to cause the thyroid to go out of balance. But remember, the number one thing we see with thyroid is it's very rarely just the thyroid. Almost always there's other things going on. We're going to be talking about blood sugar in the liver and the gut and the brain and all these different things that are going to affect the thyroid. So many times people come in and say, hey, my thyroid's off. What can I do? Fix my thyroid. We'll write up on our board for their main problems and it'll say thyroid. But guess what? When we run their blood work, their thyroid numbers may be perfect. It may not be even their thyroid at all. And yet what we do is we go through and fix what we find. And that's the functional medicine approach, is to fix wherever those imbalances are. We're going to go through step by step through this process. We're going to fix those underlying issues, and not just, oh, here's an enzyme to help with your digestion, here's some sleep stuff to help with your sleep. We're going to fix those underlying problems, take you by the hand, work through that process. We work with patients all over the country. Probably 25% of our patients come from out of state. I spoke with people today from Canada, someone from Utah yesterday, Nebraskans, Wyoming, all types of different things over the last couple days, because people need this information and they need to get better. And so tomorrow, 6:15 Mountain Time, we're going to be doing an in-office lecture, as well as we're going to Facebook Live it, stream it all over the world. So if you've got friends, family, anybody that's dealing with thyroid issues, they need to be on this seminar. They need to be listening to this workshop. We're going to be getting in depth, going into all the different details about converting T4 to T3, pituitary, all these things that you may not even understand at all, but I'll put it into a way that it makes it simple, makes it easy to understand. By the time you're done, you'll be shaking your head saying, yes, why didn't I know this before? And now what can we do to actually make a change, help this body get better, and go through that healing process. So set your calendar, set a reminder, 6:15 on the Mountain Standard Time. And feel free to jump on Facebook Live, share this, like this. We love getting the information out there. This is one of my passions. I love teaching. And if you have any questions, any comments, want to jump on but you're not sure how to do the Facebook Live, contact us. We will get you on there. So have a wonderful night, and we'll see everybody tomorrow.